hello, everybody. Rex the dog here. If you all doing good out there? Everybody's well? Everybody's okay? We are back again. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Yeah, welcome back into the Rex the dog dimension, the Rex the dog world. Woof woof woof, bark bark bark. Hope we are all doing very well out there, wherever you may be. Today we are hopping on gamemaker. It is Saturday morning. Little James, hello. Hello. It is Saturday morning. We are hopping on gamemaker. We are making games with the power of gamemaker. And let me just hop in the Fursuit real quick, say hello to the people. Third dimension, Rex dimension, fourth dimension. Hello, Val. No. Wrong button. There we are. Hit the wrong button. Hello, everybody. Welcome back in here. Rex the dog. Woof, 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 bark, 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 etc., etc. Hope we're all doing good. I'm feeling good myself today. Well, actually, I can really feel my back today. Techno, peace and love. I can really feel my back today, but that is the consequence of quite a bit of rock climbing. That is the consequence of quite a bit. Honestly, been spamming every type of lateral for the past few weeks. Whether that's lateral raises for the shoulders, whether that is my lats in general. I'm kind of spamming. You got a mysterious package, a package of Mysterios. Los expedientes Mysterios X. Mysterious package. Okay, but today what we're gonna do, we're gonna hang out. We are going to do some gamemaker. Which will be fun. Which I've been looking for, which I've been enjoying it, man. I've been vibing with it. It's fun to learn. To learn is fun. No. Can I speak? Can I freaking speak without stuttering? Every 2 seconds. I've been having fun with it. It's been a vibe. Can we say vibe coding? Wasn't that Webster's dictionary's word of 2025 or something? Was it vibe coding? I'm pretty sure it was up there. The Anthrax package. The Unabomber. I think that was up there, but hey dudes, let's rock into it. Let's get more into it. Dude, I kinda don't want this on my head right now. I don't know. I don't know why I'm feeling that. I wanna take this off. I want it. Ugh. All right. Let me grab this. And I'm feeling good. All right, so what I want to try and do today is I want to create a room. Dude, I don't know why. I don't know what the reasoning was for this, but I seem to have gotten where's my room order thing? I don't know why the case is here, but I got very little sleep last night. I'm looking at my little thing and it says 4 hours 40 minutes. That is very odd. Because our monthly average at the moment has been 7 hours. Dude, I've been sleeping well in the big 2026 thus far. I've been sleeping very well in the big 2026 thus far. How that's been happening, I'm not sure. But I used to be such a poor sleeper. But recently, I don't know, man. I don't know what's been going on, but we did be sleeping. But for whatever reason, what's the stats from last night? What are they saying? They're saying I went to sleep at 2 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. Why? I don't know. I can't tell you. Would I tell you if I could? I would tell you if I could. I would let you know if I could. Did I have those on 15 by 15? Is that what I had them on? I did. Dude, I feel like I want one of those little, you know, for like the mice where you have the mouse pad where you have the little thing, a little cushion for under your wrist. Dude, I'm feeling like I want one of those. I'm actually feeling like I want one of those. I feel like I'm putting my hand down there and it's like it feels uncomfy. Oh, I feel like Hideo Kojima when I'm doing this. I feel like Hideo Kojima. I feel like I am on the cutting edge. 6 till 12. How's my Valentine's Day? It's romantic. It is so freaking romantic. Oh, right. I want this GUI object in there, don't I? Cool. And my scripts. Oh. Wait. Did I script that into... I must have scripted that into the GUI object, mustn't I? Because I'm like, where the hell is this thing that I previously didn't do? So where did I place that? Let's boot the game up real quick. Just make sure it's working. It should be working. Yeah, dude, look at the look at how high res the text is. Okay, hopefully this we will get to stage 4 without any problems. It's all operating as it should. Collect points. I mean, sure, man. Cool. And this is my new stage. Good. Okay, so I think I put that into the GUI. There's a list, James. I will send you a message when your drawing is done. But there is a queue of people. There is a queue of people. I think you're third on the QATM. I think you're third on the QATM. Avoid the enemy. Okay. Cool. Alright, so back to room number 4. Hello there, Drew. Room number 4 is certainly gonna need a exit flat. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah, Techno, you're at the bottom of the queue. You're 4th. I think I might do some tonight to kind of catch up because I've had a few redeems recently. But I will ping you guys. I will let you know. Mandy. I want to call this S. Enemy. The enemy. Do you know the enemy? No. Do you know the enemy? Make it purple. What if we made it purple? Hello, Bang. Welcome into the Rex world. Create object. Oh, enemy. Do you know the enemy? Whoops. Wrong folder. Don't do that. I'll do this. No, 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 no. No Rex. No, 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 no. Cool. Alright, so... back to the room. Back to the room. I don't think we need any of these. Let's take our enemy. Oh, enemy be big. Funny. Funny, funny, funny. How do I resize here? Da 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 da. Okay. Do you know room 4? There we go. Okay, but why? Why, I ask? Why? Oh, why? Middle center. Okay, okay, okay. Gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Okay. Do you know the anime? Da-na-na-na-na-na. Who do you know the anime? Uh-huh. Alright, so... add event. Create. I think what I want to do though is I want to actually just mess around in room 1 and put an enemy in room 1, because then I can like test it out quickly without like running all the way to frickin' room 4, because I didn't know how to start the code just immediately. Ah, he's going. Okay, he was going. Okay, so enemy, he's going. Okay, perfect. I mean, not perfect, right? But it's a start. The fact that you can actually just farm points here is broken also. Because you die, but you just respawn, but you keep the amount of points that you have. So that's actually cheap as fuck. We need to fix that. Okay, speed. Okay, so we got him traveling along. Cool. I also want... what sort of stuff did I have here? Oh, did I even get anywhere with that boost speed? I didn't, did I? Actually, let's... just apply things the same way we had them previously. See how that goes. Now. That's fine. Oh, give me a second. Hola, buenas. Hola. Hola. Hola, buenas. Hop on it, boy. Back in just a moment. We back. We back. Alright. Alright. We back. We are back. Okay, so. Let's see if we can keep rocking and rolling over here. Grock and rolling. What was it doing? I was putting a speed on here. Direction. Equals choose. Well, it would be like what do we consider the directions here? Would it be choose 90 or 270? Toxic. Hello again. Hello again. Hope you're doing okay. Okay, so let's see if that works. Oh no, that's not good. That sent him up into the sky. So maybe I put in like 0, 180. I don't know how it like considers the different directions. You just finished work. Let's go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Chill out. Or if you've got important stuff you want to do, you know, get it done. Either way, enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, cool. So he's going that way. Or he's going that way. Rest of your night. Your evening. Okay, so he either goes that way Or he goes this way. But he still has no collision. I need to give him gravity. And... yeah, like a poop ton of other stuff. A poop ton of other stuff. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. Let's just freaking like reset. So object enemy, object player. Okay, so I want these things to have. Ah, okay, so this should give him gravity. Right? If I give him like a Y speed of +1, that should be like dragging him down. I think. Okay, it doesn't like that. Oh, because that should be a step, maybe. So maybe we do... maybe we do something like this. Cool. And toxic. Sorry. What do you like tend to what stuff do you like to do in an evening when you're hanging out? Let's load this up. Okay, now bro ain't moving. Okay. So what if I put in the play video games? Cool. What have you been playing yesterday? Playing recently? I know you've played Civ before, because when we were playing Civilization the other day, you were yapping along with us. I'm wondering what stuff you kind of like to play, like to mess around with. Okay, he's freaking. Okay, I think I need like a timer before he like changes direction or something. You playing Fallout 4 again? Let's go. Because I think at the moment, because I've put it in a step, I think he changes direction every frame. And he's still not in he's still not under the effects of gravity. So I want that on crate rather than on a step. You like your shooter games a lot. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Okay, well, if I put that there, then it's not gonna be a step. It's not gonna be changing every. Okay, so, and is that still random for which direction? So it seems we're picking that direction a lot. Okay. Okay, so. Try this. No, that's too big. 120's too big. 120's way too big. Let's do like alarm 10. Just so we can kind of... Because I think it's frames. I think we're measuring in frames. We're not measuring in seconds. Maybe. 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 Dude, we'll just put alarm 2 on it, and we'll just see what we can witness in action. Okay, but I need like... Oh, okay, so I need like... I need to create like an event for the alarm. Did I put that? I put that's like 2, didn't I? I think. Ramon, how's it going? Hello, hello. Okay, that's 2's way too short for like a time. Okay, he's gone. He's coming back. Okay. Okay, he's gone. He's gone. But he's kind of doing... Oh, he's back. He's coming back. So we can, like, exist off screen. Okay, but let's put in, like, a step event, right? So if direction equals 0 and place meeting X, Y, O. Did I call it O floor? What did I call it? O solid. O solid. Direction equals 180. If direction equals 180 and place meeting X, Y, O solid, direction equals O. Cool. So I think this should keep them within the bounds of the walls. Like, you should hit the wall? No. Okay, that's not the that's not the outcome I wanted. But I'm using, that's what I'm using on it. I'm using 0 and 180. Or I could do something like this. Yeah, Feliz San Valentin. Place meeting X, Y, O solid. Direction plus 180. And then I guess I could try and, I mean, I need to see if this works. Okay, hit the wall. Okay. Okay. Hello there, Pepe. I'm trying to create a little enemy guy here. I think what I need to do is I think it would be easier if I made like an actual wall tile. If I made an object wall. Because I'm worried that bounced off the wall. Like, I don't know why is... But then this is going to be tricky. No, maybe I don't want to do that. Maybe I don't want to do that. But good day, everybody. Hope you're doing all right. Body's feeling a little bit tired, man. I've been pushing my body as of late, but I don't think we've been pushing too hard. You know, I think it's still all good. I think it's still kind of all good. You know what I mean? I think we're still happy over here. Maybe I could set these as like a random integer. There's a little bit... Yeah, maybe I want to reduce the speed, actually. He feels a little fast. Fast-paced action. Tactical espionage action. Oh, now he feels slow. Anyway. I can... Thing is we can just, like, go through each other. But I guess now he can't get that far before he changes direction. I mean, I guess he can. It's kind of random, isn't it? Do I want to put the same thing? Where did I have him start? Are you actually playing Metal Gear? Are you playing Metal Gear? Are you playing actual Metal Gear? Toxic, thanks for the sub. Let's go.
9 just subscribed.
Thank you for the sub. Very, very kind. I don't know how echoey that got for everybody. Thank you for dropping in. With the sub? You refuse to watch ads, fair enough. No, understandable. Yeah, he specifically did not include the solid. Well, Avian, if you're playing that game, like, blind... If you're playing Metal Gear blind, I don't know if you are. But if you're playing that game blind, please keep me updated. Please keep me updated. Because that game is pretty obtuse, if I remember correctly. Pretty obtuse. Yeah, what's the deal with the solid subtitle anyway? Metal Gear, you play as Solid Snake. Metal Gear Solid 3, you don't play as Solid Snake. What's going on here? What's happening? What was Kojima smoking? what was Kojima smoking? You've been playing it blind. Actually, you've been pretty decent, so I got stuck in a part where it's friggin' windy, and you need a bomb suit for some reason. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but Metal Gear Acid comes way later. It's PSP. Metal Gear on the Game Boy Color's Metal Gear Solid. That's Metal Gear Solid. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's like I don't think there's a lot. I don't think there's like pure shame in that, because like honestly, like these sorts of games, they're like they're designed to be like it's meant to be like you and all your friends are playing it all summer and communicating with each other, like, I found this, or you go here and I discovered that. Do you know what I mean? So I don't think there's any, like, deep shame in consulting the ancient scrolls. For wisdom. I'm assuming you're playing the newer version. With the script changes. I assume you're playing that, or maybe I'm being crazy to assume. Okay, no, I want this. I want this. Yeah, you're playing on the Master Collection. Yep. Master Collection Volume 1, I assume? Column 12. What are you smoking? What are you smoking? Master Collection Volume 2. Insane. Insane. I assume your uncle works for Konami. Yeah, this is confusing. Okay, let's do that. Let's put that back in. All right, let's take that out for a second. Corkstarks Foxen will get you banned. I would not like to be banned. I've told you I had to do, what did they call it? Wasn't like, what did they call it? What did they call it, like sensitivity training? What did I do? What was it called? I had to do a thing. I basically like you know when it's like those training things at work and you just like click through the slideshow really quickly and then say like, oh yeah, I've read it. I had to do one of those on Xbox Live. What was it? Oh, what year was that? It was when Exoprimal came out. Yeah, like the Code of Conduct. But they had like a name for it. This was in 2023. This is when Exoprimal came out. Did anyone else used to play Exoprimal? Did anyone else used to play Exoprimal? I was playing quite a bit of Exoprimal, and I guess I was deemed toxic. I guess I was deemed toxic. I don't think I'm that guy. It's just like the whole team, the whole success of the game relies on the team. And when you have some people in the team making poor decisions, you let them know. Do you know what I mean? As happens to me on Marvel Rivals yesterday, where that dude told me to check my ego. It's all part of the game, you know? And yeah, so I had to do this thing on like Xbox Live where I had to watch all these slides and answer some questions about being a member of the Xbox Live community. And the thing I distinctly remember is, do you guys know the golden rule? The golden rule is treat others the way you want to be treated. You know, when people say treat others the way you want to be treated, on Xbox, it is not the golden rule. It is the platinum rule. The platinum rule. On Xbox Live, you're supposed to treat people better than you would like to treat yourself. Because Xbox Live says you might not have it actually said something to this effect. It said like, you may not respect yourself and may not take care of yourself well, but you should take care of others and other people you're playing with on Xbox Live better than that. So you should follow the platinum rule and not the golden rule. Someone did say that to me yesterday. Somebody did say that to me yesterday. They said like you're getting like 4 DPS. They made some reference to like it's all these terms I don't know. You know, I mean I know I understand the acronym DPS, right? But this is not how I talk, right? Like, as somebody who's like, you know, like not kind of new school gamer, I don't talk like this. But he was like your DPS is this. Check your ego. And somebody else said something like relax and L is an L or something. I don't know. But he said check your ego. For me, though, I don't think it was the 2023 game Exoprimal. I don't think I was particularly toxic on Exoprimal back in the day. I don't think I'm pretty toxic. I don't think I'm generally toxic on anything. But I would argue that even if I was, which I wasn't, right? But even if I was, right? If I was being toxic on Exoprimal, that's the Xbox Live culture. You know what I mean? Like, you can't be telling people who've been playing, you know, since Halo 2 to stop changing their behaviors now in the big 2026. They're grandfathered in. I think my Xbox Live account, I think it's literally like, I think it can legally drink. I think my Xbox Live account can legally drink. You know what I mean? And so, like, in England, right? I know in America it's like 21 to drink, isn't it? But I think my Xbox Live account must be 18 years old. No? Oh yeah, my Xbox Live account's easily 18 years old. Easily 18 years old. Like, yeah, it should have a free pass. It should have a free pass. You know what I mean? True, gamer rage and banter online games are part of the experience. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. No, for real. That's what I'm saying. But I think if you make a new game now, and it's got like a new culture for it, then like, okay, sure. Right? You know what I mean? Like the Riot launcher is like a newer thing. You know, like let the Riot launcher can be all, you know, don't say mean things to each other. But dude, you know, it's like trying to tell Grandpa not to say certain words anymore. It's been too long. Yeah, no, Toxic. We're all joking here. To be honest. Like we're talking with a layer of irony. I do not care that much. Like I never have. If I cared that much, I would be better. But I do kind of find it like, I kind of find it funny being like a tourist. Like that person telling me to check my ego yesterday, like that's hilarious to me. And like I hope he does that all day. And I used to love on Street Fighter 4. On Street Fighter 4, like you'd have a match with someone, and then afterwards they'd send you like a PlayStation or an Xbox Live message to you. They'd send you a message like telling you to like unalive yourself or something, because like, you know, you wouldn't let them sonic boom you. You got voice banned. Your old Overwatch bird account. There's a cat in Overwatch now. Okay, dude, how do we solve this problem? How do we solve what we're trying to do here? How do you solve a problem like Maria? Okay, so he's rocking and rolling. There is Overwatch. No, there is Overwatch. Overwatch 2 is becoming Overwatch again. They've renamed Overwatch 2 Overwatch. You've been messaging Destiny because you're smurfing. Hey, Toxic, you're the real like... You're the real shooter head over here, no? Okay, speed 0.3, direction, choose left or right. Okay, at random intervals. And at the random interval, it chooses the direction. And it does that for like 60 frames? Is that what it is? My stat, if it hits the wall, it changes between 0 and 180. Destiny 2 or Borderlands 2 are your most played games. Avian is a big fan of Borderlands 2. Avian's a big fan of Borderlands 2. I like Borderlands 2. Don't get me wrong, I like Borderlands 2. I like Borderlands 2, but I'm not gonna claim that as my culture. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna claim that as my culture. I'm a tourist at best. No, I've played the game. I've enjoyed it. I just know some people are lifers, right? Okay. I'm looking down here for... Okay, so I can add this into him, which would be good. I'm pretty sure I do, Pepe. I'm pretty sure I do have a Fred Perry shirt somewhere. I'm pretty sure I do. We need to do a score reset here as well. Funny we're talking about Overwatch because there's been a campaign where you get free loot boxes watching streamers. Now I play Overwatch with my buds every now and then, so I thought I'd just chuck some dude on mute and get free stuff. But now all your Twitch recommendations are all Overwatch. Darn. There you go. There's all skins and stuff. Cool. Okay, so he kills me now. I do need a score reset thing, because look, I can just cheese the score. Cool. Okay, he kills me now. So that's good. That is something we do want to do. I want it to have gravity. This is the thing. Is I'm having a hard time with... Because here I've got, like, X speed. Like, do I have to give that new names? Because... Like, does it have its own X speed and that have its, like... That's what's confusing me. X speed, yeah. So I want to initialize it and set it to 0, right? So initial X speed 0, and then Y speed equals 0, and then I start defining them in steps. I feel that's not going to work. In the errors compiled window. Where is my errors compiled window? Is a question I have. Like, can I just put those on command, like on creation? Or do I have to, like, attach those to here? I feel it still ain't gonna work. Because it's cool with this. Or maybe it's not. Oh, now we've... Now we've got an issue. Which I don't understand. Okay, so blah blah blah, stop. Yeah, what's the issue now? Because I just put things back to how they were. Dude, where is my it says for details about build file, please read the whole log above and see your errors compile window. tiled window. Game maker. Ah. Oh, it doesn't like this? If place meeting XYO enemy when we start, what's the issue with that? This line? What do you mean? What do you mean this line? I put nothing there. Oh, line 3, column 9. Bro, what the hell? Okay, let me just nip to the toilet real quick. I'll be back in a second. I am baffled though. I'm very baffled. Oopsie daisy. There we go, there we go. Dude, I actually have like a temptation to just like close and then reopen everything. Because it's saying it has issues with my... Whoops. It's saying it has issues with my creation of this, but like... Everything here is chill. Oh, because of that! Oh my god, is that seriously it? It couldn't be that now. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I didn't even notice that. Fine. Alright, so, cool. I can put this back in. Okay, I was like, what the poop? Okay. I was on step, not create. XY object. Enemy. Room. You go with your constitutional dog. Let's freaking do it, dude. I've been like making a real conceited effort to make sure I'm getting my walks in and stuff like that, because honestly, like the past couple the start of 2026, I've been really sedentary. It's not been. It's winter. It's understandable, but at the same time, like. I know I feel good when I'm moving around, you know? Okay, he kills me. Good. Okay, we want that. So. I think they need to be, like, on create. So. Why is that green and that blue? That's what I want to, like. Does this work? Who knows? Doctor Who knows? I think it's gonna say no. I think computer's gonna say no. But I think that comes from... Oh no, computer says yes. Okay. So, I don't understand how you got, like, speed and you've got horizontal speed, and I don't understand how I can't... What do you make of that? What do you make of that, computer? Do you like that? Do you enjoy that? Does that work for you? Cannot set any physical properties as physics. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't like that. Okay. So what other speed things do I have? Timeline speed, physics speed, image speed. A real number of speed. So could I set like a new thing here of like speed equals -1 direction, gravity direction. Anyway, direction equals 90. It's gonna go no, isn't it? Because I've put like 2 speeds in there. Yeah, it's gonna say no. Line 3. Okay, this is baffling me. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give this frickin' how this works, right? Is so this is my yellow thing, which is my player object, okay? And my player object sits on the ground. As you can see, if I jump with him, he gets pulled down. He sits on the ground, right? The reason is because he's got a Y speed of plus 0.1, okay? Now in here, down is considered plus. It's like not Newtonian. Down is considered plus. So he's constantly constantly pushing down. It's not like the room has gravity. It's that he is always going down. The reason he doesn't go through the floor is because if he meets the solid object, his Y speed becomes 0. So if he's touching green, then he if he's touching green, then he has a Y speed of 0. If he's not touching green, he has a Y speed of value. So he's always traveling down. I'm trying to apply that same logic to my purple block. I'm trying to apply that exact same logic to my purple block, but for some reason, I'm putting in like analogous code. I'm putting in analogous things, like obviously like with some, tweaks, so it's not like player controlled, but I'm putting analogous controls onto the purple thing, and I'm getting, which is the enemy, and I'm getting nothing, which is kind of confusing me because so what I got going on with the purple? We're doing some rubber duck stuff here. I'm just talking out loud. What I've got the purple is I've always got a speed of 0.5, and he picks a direction. There's a alarm that makes him change the direction. But I didn't want to put speed here. I wanted to put X speed in. Like the other thing. I wanted to have X speed, and I want to have Y speed. But for some reason, it doesn't let me. If I do that, it doesn't have the intended outcome. Now, I guess I could do this. Uses physics. And then maybe set the physics of the room. Because there was like a physics thing. Maybe that'll work. If he just starts crashing down, that would be positive. Right, but I guess but even like forget about that. Like even if we're forgetting about that, like I forget about the turning around thing. The only thing that I want at the moment is I want to solve, this guy has like an artificial gravity, right? He has a thing that resembles gravity, of he's always traveling down. I would like to apply to my purple thing, he's always traveling down. Because that's the start of it, right? If I've got that he's always traveling down, then it's like after that I can have like, oh well, if he's touching the floor, then he's not traveling down, and yada and tweak with the timers and stuff like that. That's all, that's all extra stuff. The thing I'm trying to make happen at the moment, the thing I'm trying to apply at the moment is I'm trying to apply this guy is always traveling down, because what would I mean, like, if I take away this, right? If I take away the place meeting stuff, right? What'll happen is the yellow... I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you it quick enough. Probably not. Oh, it failed. No, I mean, I don't want it to fall down. I don't want it to fall down, but it's just that's the start. It falling down is the start of everything. It's not about it falling down. It's about it having gravity and not flying through the air. That's what it's about. It's about because like at the moment it flies through the air. At the moment, if it goes over here, it starts flying through the air. It should fall down that pit. It should fall down that pit. But maybe the way I've written the thing from before is just like... I don't know. I've probably got to change how I've done it completely. But like... The reason this... You know... okay, sure, I've got all the crap about the collision with the green. But like, forget about that. The fundamental things that are applied to this before you start adding all the extra is... Right gives it speed, left gives it speed, and it always up gives it speed, and it always has a speed acting downwards. It always has a speed acting downwards. And that's how we're doing gravity here. So I want similar sort of crap on here, right? I want this to always have a speed acting downwards. So if it goes to this pit, it falls down, right? That's what I'm trying to solve. Now, okay, sure, maybe there's better ways of doing it or whatever, but that's what I understand of this, and I'm trying to just like iterate on what I understand. And then if I have to learn something completely new, I mean, cool, whatever, great, that's what we got to do, sure, fine. But I feel whenever you're trying to do something, you iterate on like knowledge and skills that you already have, right? You need some sort of home base that you're sort of spreading out into the unknown from, because if we're just like, oh my god, we're gonna have to paint it on me. I don't like using paint because it makes me feel like pirate software, except unsuccessful. Because I know this, right? Like I know I'm existing here, you know, talking about like what my yellow cube does. Like I know how my yellow cube behaves. Like this is sort of my realm of low competency. So obviously I'm trying to do something different with the purple cube. I'm trying to do something kind of different with the purple cube. But I'd rather do something that was like pretty similar. So like my route to doing that is taking this knowledge and going over here. So at least like, you know, okay, it gets unknown over here, but I'm coming from like a realm of known. If I'm just trying to do something like completely new with the purple thing based on like no previously established competencies, it's just like what am I doing over here? I'm just like completely in the dark. So, okay, sure, maybe there's other ways of doing it, but I feel the only thing I have to latch onto is what I've been establishing so far, you know? But it confuses me of this little thing I've put together here. Is like, do I set another one? Like, is this the route? Like, and speed equals 1, I think I tried this. For direction like 90. I think I tried this. I know it's maybe like wrong direction or wrong whatever, but because I don't know if it allows you to have 2 speeds. Oh, perfect. Okay, I mean that's okay, that's a start. Okay, that's a start. 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 Okay. We've rented our way into some sort of direction, which is good. No, we'll take a win. I'm just overriding the speed when I have speed twice. But so then how do I have speed for another direction? That's why I don't understand, because there is within this language there is an X speed. Like, that's a thing. There's an X speed. Wait, unless I got an idea. Let's forget about the alarm. I'm getting rid of the alarms. Or maybe we're not going with this. Maybe we want to put that code in the run every frame script instead of the create script. I'm thinking with my brain. I am thunking and thinking with my brain. Hey, Spencer. How's my guy turning around? Okay, so when he spawns, he has a spirit of 0.5, and he chooses left or right. And there's an alarm. It creates an alarm, and this alarm goes off 10 frames to 40 frames, right? Because it's 10 frames plus that. And then I just freaking deleted my alarm. Out of frustration with God. Oh, is my alarm not coming back? Yeah, my alarm's not coming back. Whoops. Yeah, so I had like an alarm attached to it. So when the alarm reset, it picked another direction. But now I'm forgetting about that. Now I'm forgetting about everything, honestly. I'm forgetting about everything. Okay. So. Can I just give him like an X speed of 1? That was on creation. Okay. Yeah, no, there's everything wrong with that fireball, but like I can tweak that once I've got the other stuff kind of like organized. Like I get that, but it's just like it's not a. I feel I don't have like the fundamentals in place, so like all that other stuff didn't even matter yet. Okay, he doesn't want to move. He doesn't want to move. Okay. This I don't get. This I really don't get. Oh, I didn't delete my alarm. I just shut the window. Whatever. Whatever. Legit whatever. Confusing to me. Really confusing to me. It feels like there's one set of rules over here. It feels like there's one set of rules over here and it just like doesn't apply to another object. Wait, what if we... If place meeting x, y, O solid. Then it's got a y speed. No. Let's try that +1 here. That might work for us. That might actually work for us. Wait, how do I... Y is real, so is it how do they like that? Do they... We'll find out. We'll find out. Well, let's see if we can actually make that work in a way that... Let's see if the player can make it run away. Because if we can do that, I'm at least kind of like on track to something. Sat 1825, welcome into the Rex planet, the Rex world, the Rex dimension. Oops. No, none of that works. Okay, fine. The only way I can get it to move. It's like the only way I can get it to move is this. It baffles me. It absolutely baffles me. No, we're on something called gamemaker. So that's I don't understand why. Because it just feels like one rule for something, one rule for something else. Like I'm evidently missing something, but I just don't get how over here I can like set X speed, I can set Y speed. It starts doing, you know, what we want it to do. I can separate those two dimensions. Then over here it's just like, nah, you've just got to put speed in. And I'm exclusively acting like there 0.8. Then okay, then what's up and down? What's up and down? Like why is it defaulting to X? Build stores the speed of the instance in pixels per second. Confusing. Very, very, very confusing. Because this is just they're both just objects. There isn't like a tooltip. So like I hover over speed, it says this built-in variable stores the speed of the instance in pixels per step. And these just say like real. Can I put like vertical speed, like the speed? The speed? I can put the speed. Okay, I can put the speed. The speed's a thing. Okay, okay, okay. We can do stuff now. We can do stuff now. So speed is just horizontal speed, and the speed is... Okay. But is it because, like, X speed and Y speed are being used up by here? I don't get that. I don't get how this worked for this, and it doesn't work for over there. That's what really confuses me. That's what's baffling me. It was 0 or 180, right? Cool. So step. So we can copy this stuff. Line 12 here. Ah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Gotcha. Gotcha. So they could have been called anything. Yeah, gotcha. Okay. Thank you. Good eyes. Thank you. Oh, well, no. Yeah, the green variables and blue variables. Yeah. So the green variables are the stuff which are inbuilt, and the blue variables are ones that you've just like made up. So if I just put like P is going to be a blue variable, right? No, it's not. P is a white variable. Oh no, it's a blue variable. Yeah. P and Poo are white and blue. Okay. Cool. Okay, it's not working. Oh, because I think... I'm not getting to reset, am I? Tricky. SSX tricky. Nah, this ain't Gucci. But if I do this... Because I think that direction was applying to both of them. I think I want to... Maybe I can use this. And then it just sits. Okay, at least I'm seeing some like difference between these numbers. But do I have to bracket that off? Was that my issue from before? Like, do I need to? Because if I do this. It should stop moving down. Okay, but it's not moving right. Okay, do I like bracket this off? Like, do I go like, you know, this here? Right? Like, because then that's all like, oh, that's one thing. Oh, I've put that in the vertical, but who freaking... No, actually, I do care. I do care about the vertical. That's on the wrong ones. Yeah, that's in the... I mean, it still isn't going to work, but... I like to try. I like to try. I like to cry. No. Okay, back to nothing. I feel if this was like top down, dungeon crawler, I would not have a problem here. I feel I would not have an issue here, and I could just have it going like walking up and down and left and right and all that kind of crap. But I think the fact that I'm on like a 2D plane here is that's what's making things like hella tricky for me here. I think that's something that's making things el complicado. Then I guess maybe I can just copy everything over here and use X speed and Y speed over here. Like maybe let's just do that. Let's just take everything from here and start tweaking it. Why you what? Okay, cool. Why are you undoing all the text, dude? It's doing that thing, you know, where it like undoes all the text. I don't want it to undo all the text. I want to just change this. The things before it. You know, it's in that mode where like everything you type undoes the things in front of it. Yeah, that's freaking annoying. Alright, well, we'll just retype it out. Press the insert button. Okay. Aha! Thank you. See, I don't know shit about shit. We don't care about this. We don't care about this. I'm making a new thing because I just like a new name for it because I feel it's important I do. I might be wrong. Wait, I'm not going to see the effects of this if this even starts. No, it doesn't like it anyway. Oh, because of that. Okay. But anyway, one. There we go. Aha. Cool. So it's that move and collide command. That's what's all about. I need to read up more about that move and collide. Like actually what the specifics of that is. Because it's all about that. Move and collide. With this function, you can tell the instance to move in a direction, resolving collisions on the way, and specify a direction which the instance will attempt to move and get past obstacles, thus allowing traversal of slopes or small steps. Returns an array of instances that is collided with. Okay, now I can freaking put in... I think I want that initially set over here. Ah, okay. So what I need now is I need... Wait, can't I do this? So if place meeting X, Y, O solid direction plus equals 180. Okay, so I want... times -1? That's no way gonna work, is it? That is no way gonna work. There's no chance that works. So what it Because I had that direction thing, but that direction applied to speed. Like, I had this real direction. I mean, Toxic, I don't know. I'm not a coder. I have no experience of anything of the sort. I have no experience of anything of the sort, but I'm trying to, like, yeah, I'm kind of interested. I'm trying to learn. We do be doing our best. Oh, true. Okay, yeah, we can try that. Yeah. We can try that. Nuna! What up? So, if place meeting... X equals it just feels circular to me. Do you know what I mean? But maybe that's how these things work. Yeah, it does not like that. It does not like that. Because it's like, it's weird, isn't it? Like, you know, x equals x times -1. Like, it feels like circular to me. It feels... Oh yeah, why did I type in wall? Okay, yeah. Do I want to be doing x plus 1? Like, is that the move? That felt like it wanted to do that for a second. No, it did not feel like that wanted to do that for a second. Okay, so I could, all right. Try something else then. Yeah, Nate doesn't like that. Variable not set before reading it. Like, what do you mean? I'm like, aren't I setting it here? Aren't I, like, immediately setting it? On creation? Oh, here we go. Okay, so we got that on the go. But now the Y isn't working. What if I have this over in the step? I don't know. Oh, because it's set to 0. It needs to reset every time to +1. Okay, so I need that in there. Yeah, here we go. Okay, this is promising. Okay, is that because that gap's not big enough? Is that what's going on there? Okay, I'm starting to see the significance between a step and a... Yeah! Okay, cool. Yeah, that's behaving as it should. That is behaving as it should. Yep. Okay, so to look at the code. Yeah, that's good. That is good. So on creation, it has a Y speed of 0. On creation, it has an X speed of 1. Every frame, it gets a Y speed of 0.1 downwards, but if it's meeting in the Y direction the green block, it drops to 0. But that's a step, so that keeps looping. So it keeps checking that over and over. It's got the move and the collide applied. If the place meeting is with one side of the green, it multiplies its X speed by -1. And if it's in the other side, it multiplies it by -1, which means it's going to be changing directions. But it can collide into either side of the thing. Cool. Okay, good. So the only thing I need to apply on top of that, which I had working before, was the timers. Is have the timers applied to it. So the timers are gonna... The timers are gonna be stopping and starting when it's the X speed's actually applied to it. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna finish up there. That freaking works for me. I'm gonna play some video games. But that's cool. Okay, I'm happy. I felt like I was at a real wall. Felt like saw these moments where the end was not in sight. The end was in sight. The end hella was inside. Okay, so we just need to apply timers to that. Save things up. Lol a bit, the weird fox. What is going on? How's it going? Record cable, full, bark, 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 etc., etc. Hope you're having a good day out there in the world. Rex the game. Rex the video game. Okay, cool. I'm feeling a lot better there because we managed to hit some progress. Yeah, so I want to have a timer so it'll move around, like, so it'll stop moving and then it'll, so it might go like, it might walk for like 10 frames and then stop and turn around. It might walk for 10 frames and then stop and then walk for 3 frames. Just some sort of timers applied to in there. But no, I see why some things weren't working because they were in step, and why some things weren't working because they were in crate and vice versa. So I see how that step thing is like a loop, which keeps checking over and over. Okay, we're learning. We're living and learning, man. We're living and learning. We're living and learning. Okay, good stuff. Let's see if we can... Dude, I'm like... My VTuber is just like... not loving loading recently. He is not loving my 3D one. Okay, he's here. He's here. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright. Let me just set things up here so we'll some video games. I just want to play video games. But no, dude, feeling a lot better after that. Made. Some made was progress. Cool. Whoa, happy day. Cool. Thumbs up, happy days, cool. Happy days, thumbs up. Whoa, what's appearing there? It's already running? I know it's already running, bro. I know it's already running. Okay, there we go. We in action. Looney Tunes back in action. Good movie. Okay, I dismiss you. Get out of here, Epic Games. You're so epic. Me when the games are epic. I would like to resume my games, sir. Sir. Gilgamesh. My place in this world is to rule. My place in this world is to rule. Alright, okay. It is to rule, it is to divide, it is to conquer. Yeah, that was Civilization 6, yeah. Because, civilization. Right? You know what I mean? I want to build some of this crap. get the arena. Let's check the world rankings. Unmet player at 182. Why? I got 0 great people. Oh man, we need to make some frickin' progress here. The Magnus Rex the Third. I kind of want to like just attack someone. I kind of want to pillage, but I don't know at what point that becomes like a feasible move. That's my thing. Is like I don't know at what point, because I'm looking at somewhere like, you know, I'm looking at Zanzibar over here, and it's like I feel I want to go whack it, you know. I feel I want to go take somewhere out. I mean, I'm building up dudes. I am building up dudes. Claim a great person. Okay, let's freaking go. Zhang Quan. What do we got in here? Great merchant. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, so this was my merchanty place. So I want to move. He's just gone back and told a Kish. How's that put me on the rankings, man? Not great. Can I have some more? Can I have some more respect? Yeah, man. That's what Rax is all about. Create the hard build of the mind. Military tactics. Stirrups. Coassals? Wouldn't mind a castle, man. Wouldn't mind a castle. Yeah, so must be on a completed commercial hub. Oh. Well, where had a commercial hub? Did that have a commercial hub? Production monument. Can I see what you have, bro? Does anywhere have a commercial hub? Dude, the Australians were giving me a hard time yesterday. They were giving me a hard time. I don't even know how I can like. I need a commercial hub, I guess. Do I go back to like I feel okay, next trade destination. I want the production. That one feels kind of wild. Feels like a lot of bonuses. Yeah, bro can't even go anywhere. Like, use his power. I keep looking at the thing like a panicked loser. Like a panicking little cretin. Skip his turn. Just gonna keep skipping his turn until I build a commercial hub, I guess. I guess that's the move. Is there a lot of differences, dude? Do you play a lot of Civ 5? Honestly, this is really like... I haven't really played strategy games before. I wanted to try to... I like trying out different things. If you look through, like, you know, stuff on my channel or whatever, like, you look through the VODs and stuff, I play loads of different games. It might seem I like strategy because I'm playing, like, this and I'm playing Mugenics at the moment, but, like, that's honestly not really the case. It's just the way the cookie is crumbled. I like to try out a bunch of different things, you know? And I used to just basically exclusively play, like, Capcom fighting games, Squaresoft RPGs, you know, like Resident Evil, 2D platformers. Like, I used to basically just, like, exclusively play stuff like that. I want the commercial hub. Bro, why can't I make the commercial hub? Requires a population of 10 or higher. Oh, poop in the butt. Alright, we'll build the library then. Encampment. Commercial hub investment. Commercial hub. So this place has a commercial hub. What are you talking about? Why can't you, like... But yeah, so now I do like to try out different stuff. Try out different games and stuff like that. This place has a commercial district. You should be able to use your super ability. Unless it just finished building. Playing Civilization 6 right now. Sid Meier's Civilization. Sid Meier's Pirates. Must be on a completed commercial hub. Okay, where is the hub? What do you speak of? How do I find my commercial hub? I'm just not even going to use his ability because I can't freaking find it. Because I hover over here. City center. I give up, man. Yeah, Zanzibar's getting crazy close to me, not loving that. Yeah, you can skip your turn. We'll just do this every turn, man. I don't freaking know. I know, bro. I'll see in 16 turns time if that's built the thing I want it to build. We're dropping in the ranks. I'm gonna build up. I might just build up troops and go pillage. Pillage Zanzibar. I don't know. I don't bloody know. Don't ruddy know. I should probably get some builders as well. The poor city-state. Oh, to be fair, I got money, don't I? I could buy some stuff. Maybe I'll buy some builders and then send my builders to go building. And then we go buildings. That may be a move. Yeah, this over here seems pretty warmongery. Okay, ancient walls, sure. Sounds good. You do, and then we look here. And then we look at purchasing an item with gold. And this? No, it's purchased with faith. Okay. The Terracotta Army. Requires 400 production. Yeah, why can't I buy a builder? Oh, because that clown's standing there. Okay, okay. But I can go over here, for example, and I can buy a builder. Right? And then you just need orders. You can skip your turn. Okay. Terracotta pie, I wish. Egypt has founded a new religion. Oh no. Oh no, oh dear, oh no. Okay, cool. So, these guys. So, for example, I could send you to here. Okay, we'll wait till you get there, bro. Take your time. It's okay. It's only the entire world and history and civilization at stake. When these guys gonna start fighting? When these guys gonna start fighting each other? Zanzibar land's really close to me. Do I regret opening my borders? Do I regret opening my borders in exchange for pittance of gold? Maybe. Mayhaps, perhaps. Alexander Oslovsky. Not a bad treaty to take, you think? We don't have a religion yet, to be fair. Fun music, right? Okay, builders. Builders build. Builders build. If they build it, they will come. Epic game achievement. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Oh, you can't hear the game music? It might just be really quiet. I think it's just really quiet. Oh. Wait a sec. There we go. Okay. I don't know what happened there, but it did. I don't know what happened there, but it did. So, thank you for telling me. Alright, so you need orders. Bananas. Wait, that might not have even been the move. That might not have been the move. It's actually crazy. There's so much of this world I haven't even explored. Advanced considerably. Great. Is that worth points? Oh my god. So I don't get. We've got a commercial hub. Which city am I in? Earl. I'm gonna send it back to Earl, but at the same time, it's just like, it seems like it just doesn't want to. I don't know. Wonders. Are you kidding? No! Alright. I'll just get an aqueduct real quick. Send him back to Ur for like the 20th time. Send him all the way back over there. Builders. Builders gotta build. Okay, build, improvement, plantation. Must be on a completed commercial hub. You make no sense to me, brother. You make no sense to me. Either way, I'm improving that commercial hub, so hopefully it's completed after that. I don't freaking know. I don't know.
If you see a castle under fire,
Castle!
you must walk there to meet the extraordinary dreams.
We love castles. Education. Yep, no idea what he's doing. We could go over here. Oh, we could go here. It's right here. It's right here. It's very available to us. Very, very, very available to us. Hey, Toxic, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for the yap. It was interesting to hear about what like games and stuff you're into. It was cool to hear. Terracotta Army. Wunderbar. Yeah, over at the farm. I don't care. But yeah, take care, dude. We'll catch you around. Remove my rice farm, which I just like built like 2 seconds ago. I feel the wonders, because isn't there like a cultural victory or something?
Man suffers only because he takes seriously what the gods made for fun.
Alan Watts, we like some. Dude, we like some Alan Watts. We do like some Alan Watts over here. Yeah, I'm getting. Don't people want to come for tourism? Tourism, see my wonders. I got so many wonders. Divine right, sure. Feel like I want money. Feel like I want money. Harvest resources. No, build a farm. Build a farm, sir. I think when this aqueduct is successfully built, we can start building some more wonders. Wonders. Wonders of the earth. One can hope. Hope and cope. Copium. Let's turn. From yeah, we are not exactly achieving, are we? Guess the thing is with the armies as well is you don't know how big the other dudes have either. Like what they have available. Theater Square? Maybe the effect is activated. Maybe it like actually just already is activated. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Is this how land is organized in real life in hexagons? Hexagonal squares? Feels like a good system. I want some. I can build an Alhambra. like I keep building the medieval walls. Why have I dropped in the rankings so much? Also, I do ask. I do ask. Maybe I should start progressing down here. It's probably another civilization there now. How many cities these people have? Is my empire considered big? Is it small? I don't even know. Is it considered an empire? An empire? An age of? What do you think of this deal? Why? I get 1 gold. What the hell? Well, I'm not giving you shit. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. But you initially offered me 1. What the hell? Why am I now paying? What's the actual hell? I would have, dude, I would have had your initial terms if you'd went back to them. But, like, you started going all weird about it. I gave you a counter offer, and then the thing you asked me back was, like, absolutely insane. I can't, like... I don't know, bro. But if you want to go, you guys want to go have a war, you guys go have a war. You guys go do that, but you're trying to sucker me in, and then I was down for it, dude. I was down for like a potential war. I would like I'm honestly I'm eager to do it, but like, come on, man. I'm actually gonna invest in building another wonder down here. I feel wonders are... What do you want? Okay, it denounces me for what? I just exist. I seriously just exist. Like, what is your issue? I'm over here just being. Just being a being. A human being.
Our treasury is filled with gold, and I think it could be wise to...
Yeah, bro, let's build some freaking military. Nuremberg, Berlin. Let's dude, actually, let's freaking do it. Let's actually go. Yeah, I'm actually down. I'm actually down to clown. Yeah, I'm actually down to clown. We're gonna attack. Screw it. It's wartime, brother. Okay, so where are all my other dudes? So you... Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Yeah, actually, let's freaking go. Oh. Oh, they're tough. Oh. Oh, what the hell? How are their dudes so tough? Oh, shit. Okay, this is bad. Yeah, this actually bad as hell. This is bad.
It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it.
Just have fun with a thought. Thought with a thought. Fun with a thought. Thought with a fun. Yeah, this feels bad. This actually feels really bad. How are Germany doing? But yeah, Germany are. I'm suffering.
There were 7 wonders in the world, and the discovery of the terracotta army, we may say, is the 8th miracle of the world.
Yeah, look at all my stupid stuff. Oh yeah.
Listen, strange women lying in ponds distribute.
So what we got here? Oligarchy. Merchant Republic. +2 trade routes. Monarchy. I'm not fighting, so it's a waste. I feel it's a waste of time me doing that because I'm not actually even fighting. Wonders, 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 wonders. I'm like, wonders, 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 wonders. Send him to sleep, man, because I don't get it. I don't get what to do with him. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, next turn again. Sorry. Wait, what the hell? Who's attacking us? Why? Why am I an enemy of Germany? I don't... Why? To carry the formal war? Minor defeat. Dude, this is crazy. Okay, so we can't trade there anymore because dude's freaked out. Dude, that's nuts. Yeah, this kind of crazy, man.
It is best to use caution when moving close to enemy units.
I gotcha. They are causing issues. You know, I also I really regret not making the agreement with the Cleopatra. We heal up. Are they gonna pillage and wreck my land? It's gonna be so frustrating. Dude, these guys are crazy. These guys are actually crazy. These guys are actually nuts. I'm in shock and awe. Dude, traitors, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? It's major defeat. Oh my god. On my city. Yeah, this is nuts. This is actually nuts. Yeah, I'm just gonna perish on it. Holy moly, the Germans are coming. Oh no! Now she's upset? Holy moly, this bad, this bad. Yeah, I think we pooped. I think we're honestly pooped. I think we're honestly pretty pooped here. This is somewhat concerning. Yeah, this bad, this bad, this bad. Dude, I think I call it. I honestly think I call it. Like, I don't, like, a problem here is like, I don't know, like, what the move is. I don't know, like, you know, I don't know what I should be prioritizing. I don't know if I'm like all over the place. So I'm reading that like a science victory is like build a spaceport. It's freaking nuts. Yeah, dude, I think I'm gonna frickin' yeah, I don't know. Or just bail. I mean, I don't know. That obviously, I don't like. You know, obviously, like, yeah, I might not win. Do you know what I mean? But like, I think what's I don't know what to like aim for. Is kind of my thing, because I just like pick what she recommends for me, and it's like there's so many things going on. We'll drop down another one, man. We'll go to Chieftain this time. If you do the game you should play as a leader, it gives you early bonuses. You want better for benevolent discover late game. Master all books, ask for game, and deactivate religious squids for condition your first game. Okay. Advanced setup. Cool. Samaria, Greece, Rome. I do. I have a little... They're weird. The keyboard and mouse I have are kind of weird. They're kind of like these weird-ass, like... It's kind of like this thing. He has this, like, weird-ass, like,
3D keyboard thing, which probably because I'm not on the PC, he's probably just gonna put his hands by his side after a while. So he's honestly probably just gonna exist here today, unless I put a controller in his hand. But Japan, Australia. Yeah, very futuristic, right? No, but this game can be futuristic.
From the first stirrings of life beneath water, to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far.
Yeah, he's put his hands out already. That's what I mean. Because he's just got like an idle animation. So it's like, it's whatever. I mean, if I'm actually like moving my mouse and whatever, he like moves along with it. But it's like, I'm not on my PC. Like it's just captured to my PC. So it's just kind of how it goes.
Yours will be an empire of great riches and luxury.
Recommend Roman new player. You get 2 free buildings, both of which are extremely important. You get an extra gold from trade routes through your cities. And as a new player, like you struggle with gold, you get free routes at either moments. Okay. Rome Guide Civ 6. Settle a couple of cities early on to focus on getting legions and a battering ram. If you have 4 to 6 legions and a battering ram early, any civ or city-state near you is yours if you want. Once you get the army rolling, then I would turn your attention to building infrastructure more settlers districts. What are you? Animal husbandry. Records come with the unexplored. Yeah, dude, it's all just yellow. It's all just freaking yellow.
We have discovered a city-state. There are several different types.
Okay, these guys over here. Okay, so we're gonna like see if we can like destroy these guys. This might be nuts. But we're gonna go stupid, go crazy. Hello. I started another game, Avian. I don't really know what I'm doing. The Germans start attacking me.
It is not wisdom, but authority.
And I just don't know. But it's interesting it's snowy. Craftsmanship. I read a thing here is if you're like the Romans, like it's kind of a good one to start with, and you can probably start wiping out people early on. So if you can get like legions early on, I'm not sure how I got legions. I'm thinking of crushing this place. Yeah, and they're saying you get free buildings or something? I don't know.
I'm fond of pigs.
I don't know. Okay. See, I don't really like when we say like building up the city, I don't really know what that means. You know, apart from just like I click the stuff. Like, yeah. How do I level these up? Is like I've got to fight with them or? I mean, I guess I'm just experimenting at the moment, but I just kind of click buttons and then I don't feel I really get anywhere. Like, after X number of turns. So yeah, I'm not sure, but whatever. We'll just click things. We'll just die again.
I suggest we send a scout to investigate.
Okay, friendly. Okay, can I maybe transform them? See, this is the thing. It's just like... It's like, oh, we could send a scout there, and it's like, alright, but like, when am I even going to have a scout? Because there's the production's so slow, isn't it? But like, she says that, but by the time I can act on it is like... Like here, I'm going to pick foreign trade just because she says it. But I don't really... You know? I'm gonna pick it just because she says it. Yeah, why have I still got all these asleep? Wake up, bro. Wake up, bro. We could have been doing things. Oops, 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 oops. Oh God. Okay. I'll go over here. Producing builders to exploit tiles within your borders. It's good to create buildings that produce specific routes of gold, science, production, etc. Okay. Okay. Right, let's...
From the first stirrings of life,
because I feel like I'm already dicking around.
The great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on.
Okay, so... Rome. Production. Okay, so I'm gonna get a builder. I'm gonna pick that because she said it. Okay. So I'm gonna try and build up my city. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build up my city. I'm gonna build things on the tiles.
We have discovered a city.
Cool.
There are several different types of city-states, and each may provide different benefits in return for our friendship.
But by the time I
Just as our citizens have faith.
by the time they're built, I might have more squares, no? Yeah, because I can build over here now. Dies.
Enacting new policies in our government can
Okay,
is
okay.
best.
Change policies. What we got here? Sure. Farms are good. Okay, we'll get farms then. Okay, cool. We'll get farms. We'll get farms. Thank you. We'll get farms.
It would seem we have finally tracked the barbarian raiders plaguing these lands.
Have we finally tracked them? Like, she's saying make... Ace the Furry, hello. She's saying make warriors. I don't see how that's gonna help me. I don't see how that's gonna help me. Ah, true. Okay, 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 I get you. Okay, against the barbarians. Okay, okay, I feel you. Okay. Oh shit.
If there are no dogs in heaven,
She says mining. I'm gonna pick mining. Builder, build a farm. Warrior. Go home. The green man. Okay, the green man. I've got a wheat tile. Okay. We got a super farm. Great. I'm gonna meet you, bro. You're so great. I love you. You're great. More of these scouts.
The number of faithful has grown, and it...
Okay, okay, okay. So there's a goodie hut. All right. +1 from camps, from quarries. I'm gonna go for city growth rate. There's a goodie camp. These. Yeah, I found one of those up here as well. Oh no, was that in the other game? That was in the other game that I bailed on. Okay, yeah, I was kind of a little bit worried about them. A hidden technical secret. Thank you for the hidden technical secret. Okay, we building farms for farming builds. Building farms for farming builds.
skill without imagination is crushed.
Okay, good. Production towards builders. Okay, cool, because I'm going to make some more builders. Irrigation. Cool. Cool. Okay. Build any speciality district. Okay.
Our city continues to prosper.
They love it. They love it. They love it here. They love it. Dude, your delegation can come, Mr. Man. Choose production. Oh, because it applies to everything. Ah. Okay. I understand. Yeah, why did I send him over there? I don't know why I did that. Wasting turns. Okay. We tooling about. We tooling about.
When you find yourself in a hole,
Choose research. Oh, we did. That's got boosted. So I don't know. I'm just gonna do it because it's boosted. Maybe that doesn't make sense, but. Rome was not built in a day. Okay. Choose production. Now she's saying build more settlers. Is it settler time? Like, is it time to do more in that regard? Oh, so pottery. Okay, sure. But for production. Like, she's saying settler. Okay, get another one down the river. Okay, cool. Are these bad guys, or? I don't even know what these guys are. Yeah, these guys are bad guys. The red and black guys are barbs. Remove improvement. I don't want to remove improvement. I want to keep. Oh, is this all Rome? Oh, it's outside my border. Whoops. Yeah, there's a ways to return. It's getting confused looking at the different things. You can mine copper up north. Okay. I see. Build that while we're here. Diamond over there.
We have recently gained advanced knowledge in city planning.
I don't believe in astrology. I'm a Sagittarius, and we're
Whatever, man. Okay, so you were saying pottery, which she's recommending, will lead to writing.
Here, the dark brown amorphous basalt. There, the red ochre. And below that again, the slender but distinct
Amazing.
lines of the wood coal.
Amazing. Simply outstanding. Your knowledge of the wheel is improved. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of cool stuff happening over there, right? These are black guys. I don't know if they are chill. Candy warrior. Okay. Oh, but we got barbarians. We would take it. Oh, it's the barbarian outpost. It's the barbarian outpost. I see.
I thought clay must feel happy in
We've got pottery as a concept. I'd love to go here. Yeah, that feels great. Pottery leads to writing. She's saying a holy site. Build a second settler. Okay. So I could go south as well.
A strong economy begins with a
Games and recreation. Major victory against the scout. Cool. You gonna bail?
This military unit has proven themselves.
Okay. So they can upgrade if they want to, but I want to go provide backup to the lads. The lads. Oh, hello. This guy again. This guy again. Yavaman 7. This guy was not nice to me previously. He was an asshole. I kind of want to kill him just for like XP farming.
It is best to use caution when moving close to enemy units.
Okay, so my like mind really wants to like I see Stonehenge and I'm like, oh crap, like I really want to build Stonehenge, but at the same time I'm like right next to the barbarian camp, so it like seems to make sense to me to make warriors, right? Because if I can build up warriors here, I can destroy the barbarian camp, because that like feels like it needs to be dealt with, you know? So that's kind of where my head is. 2 warriors coming out of that camp. Okay. Then Stonehenge is exciting, no? I think it's Stonehenge. It's exciting to me. Okay. Fair enough. Okay, let's get the granary, and then I can get builders soon, also. Yeah, it's 90. Okay, it's 90 turns. Okay, that's honestly because like I was seeing, I built like 5 wonders or something in the last game because I found them so exciting. So that probably contributed to like my downfall. Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, good do it for the XP. Oh, they're bailing. Okay, maybe I should stop. Maybe I should just stop chasing them. I'm just chasing them around. Maybe I should take my guys up top. Is the fascination with wonders the downfall of many? Okay, they're saying irrigation. Is the recommendation, so I'm... Oh, so these cost science. Or they give me science. Anyway, okay, you, right? We're chasing these guys up here. It is not to our benefit. Let's go take down the barbarian camp. I'm sure we'll get like an achievement for it. Like, you took down the barbarian camp. Are you coming back? Brother. Oh, is he a scout from a different country? Because he's not barbarian pilled. Okay. Minor victory. Major victory. Minor victory. Major victory. Major victory. Major victory. Okay, cool. Okay, irrigation. Choose research. Okay. Let's try that out. We love it. We love to see it.
Your Grace, I worry about the happiness of our citizens. I would advise that we investigate a means of increasing their contentment.
Okay, okay, we're having fun. We are certainly having fun. Whoa! Yeah, we do not love that. Dude, stepping on our farm? Stepping on our lands? Dude, what do you want? The hell do you want? Did they burn my land? Did he, like, pillage my land? Yeah. What the hell?
If bread is the first necessity of life.
I really like that saying. I actually really like that saying. I think it's very cool. Foreign trade sounds good. And I'm gonna get a builder. Oh no, I picked a settler. That's fine, I think. Oh no, I already made a settler. Okay. Okay. Settler, you just hang tight, okay? You just hang tight, okay? Oh, you just walk into it. Ah, okay, okay. I thought you had to fight it, kind of like how you fight the cities or whatever. Cut. Because they don't move from it. Ah, okay. Okay.
Though our population grows, it isn't just our lands that can be improved, but our waters as well. We have the opportunity to
Vessels large may venture more. Every nation lives by exchanging.
Benjamin Franklin. Okay, so heavy chariot. Early Empire. Let's take land right by them. Money land right by them. Right under their little noses. You're saying build a campus. Okay, so the campus, we can get the library. Which you keep saying is pretty good. Okay, so where's the move here? Like, if I do, I want to do it like on a spot that's like more useless, right? Because these are already producing stuff, right? So if I put it on these, I'm losing that production, right? So I feel this makes sense. Or I guess I could splash out and buy this tile here and put it over there. Oh, watching a video of a playthrough, that makes sense. Yeah. I feel you. That's actually a very good idea. Buy the one next to the mountain. Because it gives plus... Okay. 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 Dude, why am I having such a hard time navigating? Okay.
It was luxuries like air conditioning.
Yeah, that makes sense because I do that same like.
With air conditioning.
Like I've played very complicated board games, you know, like I've played like, you know, bunch of like Terraforming Mars or like Twilight Imperium and stuff like that. So like I've played things that are kind of analogous, do you know what I mean? It's just like, yeah, and I've done similar sort of stuff. Like I've watched like other gameplays or whatever to sort of get a feel of mechanics or what have you. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me. That actually makes a lot of sense to me. She recommends that. Drama and poetry. Intent culture. I go drama and poetry. Okay, cool. Yeah, like I see the wonders and I'm like, bro, I'm like wonder. I'm gonna go build the granary. So these guys exploring. Actually, how are we doing on the world rankings? Oh yeah, baby. All right, units orders. Looks kind of good, right? Playthrough begins where the guy's going through a regular game. Yeah. Yeah, just, no, exactly. Yeah. I mean, I have no interest in the... No, that's a lie, because there's honestly, there can be some games where I do find it, like... I do find it really fun to, like min-max and break the game and stuff like that, because that is kind of like a late game JRPG thing. But in general, I'm not like a min-maxer. But there are some things, like Final Fantasy VIII is like, it's kind of fun to break the game there. And they took a lot of that and put that in Clair Obscur as well. If you want to do like the super bosses, like it gets like super Final Fantasy 80. So I'm not gonna lie, like there is some select instances where I do I do find a minimizing and maximizing kind of fun. But in general, like, I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. You guys may wish I was, but I'm not that guy. I'm not Mr. Min-Max. I like the idea of rice. I like the idea of rice. Yeah, I'm not that guy. It's just like, I'm not that guy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna pretend. Rice is nice. That's what they say. Rice is nice. Do-do-do-do. Rice is nice. Yeah, dude, whatever. Whatever, man. The builder. I love to build. I love to build. Yeah, man, let's freaking keep going. Cairo? The nation of Cairo? Am I still top of the world? No, unmet player. Who the hell you think you are, unmet player? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. What about over here? Whoa, the edge of the world. Edge of the frickin' world. Greetings and salutations, friends. What you want? Open borders and you give me a gold for 30 terms? Accept your deal. May Allah bless you. Thanks for the blessing. Although to be fair, it was May. Allah bless you. And I want the guaranteed blessing. Political philosophy. How do I do that? How do I check my progress on getting... Is it up here? Recruit progress 0 out of 60 for John the Baptist. I never clicked on this before. I like this guy. I like how he rests his chin on his... It's like his knee, right? He's like resting his chin on his knee. I really enjoy him. I like him a lot. That takes 1 turn, so I'm gonna get it, but... So I could build a campus up here also. And if I build it here, I get +1 science. Oh, I can't go through your border. Okay. Damascus? The city of Damascus?
Bravery is being the only one who knows you're afraid.
Sure thing, bro. I'm exploring now. We do be out there exploring.
Money, if it does not bring you happiness, will at least help you be miserable in comfort.
Damascus slipping. Damascus slipping. The concept of mathematics. I think I'm gonna get the wheel just because it's a quick turnaround. Let's entertain the people. Oh, the theater scribe. One great artist point per turn. Yeah, no, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Very good. Leave the exploring to me. What are you talking about? This passive-aggressive prick.
Mysticism is the mistake.
This passive-aggressive prick, man. I'll finally get your political philosophy. You keep asking me every... I'll finally get what you're looking for. Okay, so... This one is... Sure. Why not?
Ваш народ достоин восхищения. Искусство, наука. Чего еще желать?
This guy's nice. I like how he says something nice, but I'm just like, goodbye. Impressed by the depth of your scientific research. Let's go, bro. Thank you.
My liege, we are beginning to attract the attention of the great people of the more specialized districts we can.
I see how we can. I see the root. The roots, the radicals. I kind of want to expand, you know? I kind of want to get another settler, and I kind of want to go this way as well. I like having tiles.
Don't reinvent the wheel.
Just realign it. Naval units, good stone. Go forth, my man. My ex-man. Oh. Dude, these guys back again? Okay, they're loving the science. I'm feeling like I'm gonna go all in on science. Because, like... but there's not a good... I want one of the bonuses. Dude, they loved it. They loved it. They loved it, though.
Politics is the art of the possible.
With a district. Plato's Republic. I am seeing the vision. I'm starting to see the vision. The Viajon. What's the meaning of life? That's not a quick question, dude. If you came in with a quick question, BMF, we could help you out.
And enjoy the
But that ain't a quick question.
Crater Lake is above them all.
Look how beautiful it is. It's funny how it's just like a cartoon goofy ass thing. Where is it? It's all the way over here. Yeah, we're not getting that, are we? Let's be real about it. Dude, this song's a banger that's playing right now. This actually, yeah, you're true. Actually, you're completely right, Fireball. The question itself is quick. Hey, I heard a rumor that Russia's progressed from the ancient era to the classical era. Those statements make no sense to me. It's like if they were like, oh, like I heard a rumor that, like, you know, this country is now in the fling flong era. It's like, it doesn't make sense. Do you know what I mean? Somebody like talking about that in like real time. I don't know how to word what I'm trying to convey.
Our city-state neighbors have made a request of us. If we can impress
What do you want to give me? What do you want to give me, man? What's the offer? Oh, okay. Cairo. That's what I'm saying. Like, you don't give names to that in real time. Because they do it. You know where they do it all the time? That's so annoying. Is they do it all the time in WWE. They do it all the time in pro wrestling. They're obsessed with it. They go like, this is the start of the reality era. This is the start of the whatever era. A new era. And they do it all the time. And they talk about it all the time. And it's so stupid. And I hate it. And it makes no sense. And I don't like it. And because there are like eras of pro wrestling that people like look, and they do it in comic books all the time. I mean, the thing is they don't actually do it in the comic book, like in the fiction, but they do it a lot like as the publishers, because like in comic books you have like eras, like the golden era, the silver era, the bronze era. Like you have these eras of comic books, and they try to define like new eras in real time all the time, and it's so annoying. It's so freaking annoying. And they try to use that as like, I guess, as like a marketing or like promotional sort of thing. But like the WWE one's annoying because they keep on defining. It's something they started doing in the past like 10 years. They keep defining eras in like the fiction of the show, and it's just like, it's goofy, and I don't like it, and it annoys me. And I want to build wonders, but I don't feel it's a good idea. An amphitheater. Library. Library. The answer is 42. That's the hitchhikers thing, right? I like the hitchhikers thing. Dude, I also like another thing that I do like in Hitchhiker's Guide is, what's it called? The
Our treasury is filled with gold. And
I like that there's an actual like
perhaps we could expand our
in-universe reason for why like all the versions of like hitchhikers are different. Because like, I mean, you can argue about which is like the definitive work, because like the radio drama predates the book, right? The radio drama predates the book, and they're both like Douglas Adams, so it's like same author. And then if you want to expand from there, you can start talking about like, okay, there's like been like TV and movies and whatever, but like in the like actual fiction of the thing, the like on the Heart of Gold is the infinite improbability drive. So there's like there's like an in-universe reason for why there's like variations on like the same events happening in different shapes and forms. I like stuff like that. I like when they like when different adaptations have like a relationship with each other. I very much like. I think that's cool. I think that's very cool. I like how the new like Final Fantasy VII stuff does that. I like how like Stephen King Dark Tower does that. The new It does that in like a really clever way. I like how all the, like the Scott Pilgrim anime does that. I like it. Honestly, when it comes to Douglas Adams, I'm more of a Dirk Gently guy. I like Dirk Gently a lot more than I like Hitchhikers. But I do think like Hitchhikers again, it's like, and Douglas Adams in general, it's probably like there's like a cultural thing to it with like British. Like if you liked like sci-fi, fantasy, whatever, you probably listened to like the Hitchhiker's audio drama when you were like a kid. Do you know what I mean? And it was probably like your first like grown up, you know, like quote unquote grown up like sci-fi that you were sort of exposed to, but it's still like goofy and silly and like, do you know what I mean? Like probably like that and Terry Pratchett stuff, and maybe like a slice of some Neil Gaiman, except Neil Gaiman's really fallen from grace. I don't freaking know, man. Just because we killed the barbarians, we get the bonus. Sure, why not? Feels efficient. Feels like there's some level of efficiency to that. How are we doing on the world rankings? Okay. Okay. When do you know you're furry? I hate this question. Because I can never give it... Dude, I can never give a good answer to it. I can never give a good answer to it. Because... for me, it's just like... I've always just like... For me, it goes back to like Sonic the Hedgehog, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Disney movies. I've kind of like always liked and been into that stuff. You could say, when did I like... build the wonder? Guys, I'm building a wonder. I don't care. I'm building the Great Library. I am building the Great Library. No, I'm not. It's going to remove my farm. My farm is too precious. I'm going to build the holy site. +1 holy? Neil Gaiman. Oh, God. Just build a bath. Sure, whatever. They're pretty intense. No, but the furry thing is like, I don't know. I don't know how to answer that question. I don't know how to answer that question at all. Behemoth, I still don't know how to answer that question. I don't know. If you're asking, like, how long have I been, like, a dog on YouTube and Twitch, like, a couple of years. I've been doing that, like, nearly 2 years now. What that means, I don't know. Can build more baths. 8. No, let's go here. Sure, I'm not sure, but okay. I'm not sure, but okay. What was that? What was Vas was that noise? What was that noise? But yeah, I find it a hard time to answer that question, to be honest. And I probably overthink it. I probably overthink, like, the semantics and the specifics of it. But you could also say, like, oh, how long have you been, like, active in, like, furry communities? And to be honest, you might not believe this, and you might think this is, like, a crazy thing to say. I sort of don't. I sort of don't interact with furry communities. I go to, like, the local fur con that's, like, by my house. And my friend also has a fursuit. But, like, honestly, I don't feel I, like, interact. And again, you might, like Rex, you might be like, you know, shut up, you're talking stupid. But that's not the case. But, like, I sort of, like, I hang out with, like, the community of furries that is, like, around me.
When wasteful war shall statues overturn.
I don't know how to vocalize that properly. But I sort of very much do exist in my own space, but my own space is very furry. Do you know what I mean? I don't know how to word that properly. I don't know, because I think it's just how you define it, isn't it? I think it's just how you define things. Because, like, for me, if we were like, oh, you're some guy who's, like, in the furry fandom, it's like, oh, you're, like, not that I'm like, oh, no, don't say I'm in the furry fandom, or something like that. Like, I'm not saying don't do that, like, ew, ick word. It's just, like, I feel like what I would think that would be, like, people who are, like, in their local Telegram groups, and they, like, I don't know. I just see that there's, like, I feel there's, like, a furry fandom that's, like, geographically, like, quite close to me, and I'm not, like, I feel like that's not what I'm doing, and no sort of, like, judgment on them, do you know what I mean? But I just feel like that's not what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain this. I just shut my mouth and build things. Build this. Commercial hub. Send a convoy. You get an envoy. You get an envoy. No. You get an envoy. I think this is why I don't like labels, man. I don't like labels, and I don't like, you know what I mean? And I know for some people they're very, like, useful, and they're shorthand, and I know for some people they give them comfort. I know for some people, like, they find, like, comfort in their labels, and stuff like that. But for me, oh, my guys, they killed my sword, my guys, right? Was that the noise from ages ago? Like, they killed my dudes. Yeah. What are all this noise is about? Are they at, like, war? Is that what they're doing? Are they murdering each other? I've got all this money. I got all this money. You know, so as a human being. Declares a surprise war against me. What? Why? Who's he? He's Mr. Yellow Man, right? Which color are you? The Arabian Empire. So the greens. In-universe house is happening. Whatever. Dude, why do they want to fight me? Is it because my land's so close to you? I can understand that. Is it because Ostia's so close to Baghdad? Are we gonna get wrecked? Are we gonna get wrecked?
Invincibility lies in the defense.
I was too busy trying to build scientists. Dude, I can't believe these guys. I cannot believe these guys. What chaos? What craziness? They've been building up an army. This is despicable. This is absolutely despicable. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Our dedication to the ways of...
Okay. Must be on a completed holy site. Do I have a holy site? How do I find my holy site? I don't think I got one. I was having a real hard time with this before of like when you build something, like how you actually like find the tile. Am I seriously gonna get cooked again? This is despicable me. I shouldn't have been focusing on science so much. I could have been building up troops. Oh no. They gonna take my land? Ugh, holy moly. Are you seriously sending a religion here while I'm trying to while I'm getting invaded? I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to do, guys. I don't even know what to do. Have I pooped this up again?
But as I headed into the heart of New Zealand's fjordland, that same childlike feeling, long lost.
Whatever, New Zealand. Unbelievable, man. Okay, the yellows are fighting. Okay, the yellows are on side. The yellows are on side. The nation of yellow. The nation of yellow sees what's up. Okay, we got mathematics. That's freaking great. Dude, we're getting a butt kicked over here. Yeah, the great leader dudes I'm having a hard time with, but But hey, oh my god, how did they get so many dudes? They've just been building a military, haven't they? Well, we've been developing culture. We've been developing culture over here, and they've been making a mighty military force. It's unbelievable. Are the purples coming to help? Help us out, purples. The evil greens are trying to... I just skip a turn. The great leaders, I fundamentally don't understand. So I had that one in the last game where it was like on the trade route, and I kept putting, he was like on the trade, he was like, oh, he needs to be somewhere with a commercial place, and I was like, he is, and it just wasn't having it, but I don't know, man. The girls are fighting. The girls are fighting.
May the forces of evil become confused.
The forces of bloody evil. Maybe he didn't like my dudes going on little adventures. Maybe that pissed him off. Dude, my city's gonna fall. Fortify Rome, baby! Purples, will you help us? Oh my god. They gonna claim it? Yeah, they actually have like quite a few bits of land. Dudes! Dude. They took my frickin' land. That's my land. Okay, guys, we're gonna finish things up today. I can't believe that. Dude, that's my land. That's my land I live on. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna go get something to eat. Dudes, if anyone's got a raid, let me know, because we're about to close up shop in a little bit over here. So if anybody's got any suggestions for a raid, do let me know. But dude, that is my land. They took my land. And look, these guys keep wrecking me. Just keep wrecking Ralphing me. Why is my mouse being so great? My mouse is being very goofy. Oh my god. Why is my mouse being so goofy? Dude, let me grab this other mouse mat, because... That being hella goofy. That being hella goofy. Is that better? Not really. But okay. But okay. I'll learn. I will learn. I will conquer the world. I will learn. I'm telling you. I will acquire skills.
You better believe it. You better frickin' believe it. I will acquire skills. And I will raid the planet. I will raid the planet. It will be done. It will be done. I'm gonna be back playing some more Civ tomorrow. Playing some more Civ. I'm gonna be back playing some more Civ tomorrow. Thank you for hanging out, people. Made a bit of progress. On, dude, a day of learning, I feel. A day of learning. Definitely learned some stuff on gamemaker code. Definitely getting some ideas on Civ. We're putting two and two together. It's taking time, but we are putting two and two together. But good people, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with us. Do enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you may be doing. We will be back tomorrow as per usual. We will be back tomorrow. You guys do take care. You know where to find me. You know where to find me. We stream here pretty much this sort of time every day. Most days usually. And links in the descriptions. Discord, Twitter, all that good jazz. Peace out, people. Bye, bye, bye.